Live, laugh and love. You don't have a work life and a home life, you just have one life. So you should be able to do all three whilst at work as much as at home. In the spirit of Christmas, come and laugh with us and see the lighter side of Vapor Clean. I'm Lee, this is Vapor Clean. Let's see behind the cleans. Let's dive right in and let's see where we are.
Starting. Start now.
Right?
Yep. Start.
I actually know where I'm going.
Do you know?
Ah, what? I'm cheating.
I knew you went in the fridge earlier, so.
I got. Ah! See?
She's not competitive at all.
No, not at all. Turn off, you fucker.
You're saying about footage I can use against you.
What are you doing?
Yeah, if we sit here like this,
You can't use anything.
You can't use any of it.
go straight into a conversation, basically. If I can get my head straight on how to start a conversation.
Excuse me, no cold calling?
Just throw it in curve.
That's the plan.
Is that the...
That's the plan. Because I can't grow a beard.
Can you not?
No hope.
You're not
Please
man
tell the
enough.
accent.
It's not going there. There's no crap in it anymore.
It's looking better. What?
Better?
What?
Right, that's it. It's looking good.
Give him a cloth.
I got a nice wet one here as well.
It looks amazing.
Thank you.
Come on, this is Mr.
Looks better.
That cow's staring. Wait, stop now. Yeah, he's staring at me.
And we can...
Are you recording right now?
I'm recording you right now,
Oh,
yeah.
right, okay.
I just figured as I'm training you on using this should be part of the behind the cleans. But I haven't got my
You
mic
just don't
on.
think I'm in front of the camera.
You're never in front of the camera, Craig. Now you are, I've got you, finally.
This is a rare sight
Yeah.
of a technician cleaning his van. I was trying to be David Attenborough then. He ruined it.
In his natural habitat.
You've got to get to know your cleaners. And I just think, no, if they're saying they're sick, they're sick. But there is, yeah, no, I've experienced a lot of that.
Yeah.
Saying they're sick and then I passed them in the street.
Yeah.
And I waved and they waved back. They waved back.
I've never had one wave back,
And
I'll be honest.
they're out sick because they hurt their leg.
How do you spell your name? The proper way. We've got 3 leads now.
Oh my god.
2 Bobs.
There'll only be one lead.
Customer for life team. Well, that was one of my things with curries, wasn't it? Full pay expert.
Full service.
Because it was a French organisation. Yeah. It was a French organisation, and the guy was.
That's not helping, is it? Ready? Burnt your leg on the radiator.
It's so hot! Jesus!
Ready?
Right, let's go.
What we need to make sure we're doing
No, I can't because it's all like patchy, but I can can grow a killer mustache. I even told the customer yesterday, because I did a carpet job that she was referred by Pete in Bath, that one.
Oh, yeah.
And he says, oh, you're not Pete. I'm like, I'm Kyle, and this is my mustache. And she laughed. So,
You're talking like this.
Go-karting. Oh, get on.
Oh, I like it.
Yes. Yes. I'll put money on it.
You could have weighed the vehicle down. Talk about disadvantage.
And I'll beat everyone.
Ready?
Yeah.
Win a Shark cordless vacuum. All you need to do. You can't make fucking faces, can you? How the fuck did you know that? Morning, Danny.
Oh my Oh, I can't have it. Can I have it? Oh my god.
I was expecting a bit more of a reaction there. I'll give you that one.
I almost got circumcised.
Come back next week when you can find that out, as well as seeing our new contract customer start. No, restart that.
Give us a smile. Yes.
McDonald's, because, you know, one day of proper work and I got to stop and buy you a McDonald's.